Imagine transforming your landscape business with cutting-edge technology that enhances efficiency, improves safety, and impresses clients. Introducing our Drone Tech Program package, designed specifically for landscapers like you.
With our Drone Tech Program package, you can survey large areas quickly and accurately, saving time and resources. Say goodbye to risky climbing or heavy equipment used for inspections and monitoring. Drones offer a safer alternative. Our Tech Program package includes everything you need to get started, from high-quality drones to expert training and ongoing support. Seamlessly integrate with the software the systems for easy data management and analysis. Impress your clients with stunning aerial photography and videos, showcasing your work like never before. Stand out from the competition and take your business to new heights with our drone package. Ready to elevate your landscape business? Contact us today to learn more about our drone package and schedule a meeting. Let's transform your business together.